Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix EBSCOhost login problems. Institution verification helps step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with EBSCOhost, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, ensure that you are using the correct login credentials provided by your institution. Check for any typographical errors in your username or password when entering them. If you've recently changed your password, make sure you are using the updated version. Visit your institution's library website for specific login instructions. If your institution provides a direct link to EBSCOhost, use that link. In some cases, you may need to be on the campus network to access EBSCOhost. If you are accessing it remotely, check if your institution requires a VPN connection. Contact your library's help desk if you continue to experience issues. They can provide support tailored to your institution's policies. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as this may resolve login glitches. Make sure your web browser is up to date for optimal compatibility with EBSCOhost. If you are using a mobile device, consider switching to a desktop or laptop for better performance. If none of these steps work, try using a different browser to see if the issue persists. You may also check if EBSCOhost is experiencing any outages by visiting their status page. Once you have tried these steps, attempt to log in again. If successful, you'll have access to the EBSCOhost resources you need. If you are still facing issues, further assistance from your institution may be required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.